Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share with you the easiest Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. Let's get right into it. Let's start off by seasoning and marinating our chicken for at least 24 hours. For a dry rub, we have some jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, fresh thyme leaves, black pepper, and salt. The secret to the jerk chicken is in this homemade jerk marinade. Check out the description below to see that video. Now we'll grill our chicken low and slow for 1.5 to 2 hours, turning often until the internal temperature reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Friends, the tastiest grilled chicken you'll ever come across. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.